Arpitha, I have a few questions to ask you.
Yes.
What do you think sets apart from other brands in the industry? Erthpot stands.
There are a lot of other country brands here in India. Like all these days, they were dominating the industry. Erthpot has been an indigenous brand that is really competitive. When you compare with other brands, like other country brands, it has all that capabilities like technology and new upcoming cutting edge technology. It can really compete with other brands.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's
So
great.
having an Indian brand which is really competitive to other brands is definitely a value addition to the industry.
Okay. Thank you so much. I have one more questions to ask you. Can you describe a moment when Erthpot brands exceed your expectations?
Definitely. So majoritarily we cater the corporate sectors.
Yeah.
I mean, when it comes to corporate, the brands they use it really are the international brands. So they might have used it already. Like there are other brands also inside the infrastructure. But when we introduce them, the Erthpot products, especially the mics, so the person who was dealt with other brands, like I don't want to take the name, but definitely it is one of the top brands.
Okay.
So he now purposely asked for this.
Wow.
He has kept all brands aside and he's asking for Erthpot for all his new projects. Because when you give this in somebody's hand, the person who has dealt with other brands, you don't have to convince them. You don't have to express a lot of about this. They'll get to know the handling noise. If you look at other brands, when you do this, there's lot of handling noise. But with Erthpot, it is zero.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was the wow moment. We were able to place this brand inside that organization.
Okay.
That's an medico giant in the industry.
Okay.
It is a German company, but now they are looking for Indian brand. So that is a wow moment for me.
Thank you so much. This is very positive
Yes.
reply and experience for us too. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.